Hello, dual diploma students, and welcome. Today I want to show you what some of the symbols mean when you are in Cosmos. So I'm going to go into a class here. I'll click on this one, which is an English 1 course. Then I'm going to go to the top where there are 3 lines and go to where it says grades. This will show you what your current grade is. You'll see your score up at the top. This one has 40%. Then you'll have a schedule here letting you know, for example, this person has completed 9 out of 46 assignments that have been graded, and they have 14 out of 55 assignments to do in total. Now, let's look here. If you see here on this page, whenever you see where it looks like a black sheet of paper that's been folded over in the corner, that means the person has completed the assignment, but it has not yet been graded yet by the teacher. So whenever you see this, you know that you've turned in your work, but your teacher hasn't yet graded it. When you do get the grade, it will come back. Now here, you will see that a person got a 0% on it. Maybe they got a 0% for not doing it, or maybe they just did poorly on this assignment. Now, when you see this circle with an arrow, that means that you are allowed to redo this assignment. So this person currently has a grade of 0%, but the teacher has reset it so that they can do the assignment again. Now, if you see on this assignment, there's a 0, but there's no circle with an arrow. That means they cannot redo that assignment. Now, when you see the square here next to the circle, that means that there has been feedback left from the teacher. That means the teacher has left you a note. Let's go and see what the teacher has to say. So if we click on the assignment, it says the score is 0. There is a retry button here. And the feedback says, hello, this assignment is blank. Please resubmit for credit. So someone tried to turn in an assignment, but the attachment wasn't there. So the teacher's letting them know to please try to submit it again. What the teacher saw was blank. So these are the buttons that you're going to see when you are in your courses in Cosmos. Remember, the black square with the corner folded down, that means you've submitted assignment. This circular arrow means that you can redo an assignment for a chance of a higher grade. And when you see the square right here, that's a conversation box, that means that the teacher has left you feedback. The teacher has left you notes that they want you to please read. And I hope this helps you better with Cosmos.